left, go to the left.
Ready?
Move.
Everybody be aside! Break, MDR Talisay. This is Aldred C. Hernandez, train leader of Gonzales Escucha. May nangyari pong accident.
May nakakakilala po ba sa pasyente dito?
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006.
May nakakakilala po ba sa pasyente dito? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006.
1 meter away po, ma'am. Tutulungan po natin yan. 1 meter away.
Estudyante ko yan, si Bogart.
7, 8, 9, 1. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Recovery position! Ready to lag, run to the right. Ready? Move! Check for head, blood pump. Please assist this part. Apply dressing, apply bandage. Check. Upper back, no dot. Lower back, no dot. Lower extremities, no dot. Prepare for transport. Procedure, load. Ready to scoop? Ready! Scoop!
First aid kit, please.
Gasa, please. Bandage, please. Bandage, please.
Mamahigpit po ba?
Maigpit na po ba? Face up! Temperature. Open toes!
1, 2, 1.
Go! Ready to squat?
Ready.
Squat! Power flip! Ready to stand?
Ready.
Stand! Legs under face! Right to walk with your inner foot first!
Ready.
Walk!
In, out, in, out, in.
Sa oras ng sakuna, iba yung pag-iingat ang kailangan upang masigurado ang kaligtasan. Paalala mula sa Gonzales Escucha Responders.